Hello and welcome back to Dominator 675 modelling, and today I'll be reviewing the Airfix QUICKBUILD model review and showing you how I built it. So let's look at the box. So the box is the typical quick build orange colour, and it does look quite nice, although I'd rather preferred actual realistic look of the airplane, but I suppose it's to entice more people in. So as you can see, I got it for $6.99, but I think the real retail price is $12.99. You can see here the box instructions just showing you what's in the actual aircraft and how the kit gets put together. It's basically just like a giant Lego kit. There's no glue, no paint, and you just build it. There is a free stand included, and it is a 1 flying hour if you are part of the Airfix Club. So it is 5+, another thing to mention, it is 5+. It's basically an Airfix Lego kit. Still quite nice. So let's go on to the instructions. Now the instructions are literally the same as any other Lego kit. However, they are slightly different and they're not the best. I mean, they do the job, but they're not the best instructions. I honestly prefer them when they do the actual models. But yeah, it's manageable, and I was able to build the kit quite easily. They are labelled quite easily, and yeah, the arrows easily show where you need to put the pieces. Although the one problem is the instructions booklet is quite large. It's like an A3 piece of paper, whichever the big one is, I can't remember. Anyway, it's a big bit, and you can also see you have a set of stickers rather than decals, which you just stick onto the kit, and the numbers correspond to the model. So let's quick build this thing. See here, we are making the kit, and I had already pre-made some of these bits to make this process a little bit quicker. It did go well together, quite well, but it does have a few issues with the fit due to it being a Lego fit. Lego sets never fit together properly no matter what you do, and they'll be different for every person. Yes, I did say there's a free stand. There are two pieces, the flat piece and the stick. You put the pointy end of the stick in there, and you turn it around with a little nozzle on the top. You get the aircraft, and there's a little hole, as you can see I'm pointing to it there. You get a little hole and you put it in, and you get a nice aircraft stand, which I think is a really nice feature, as in other other Airfix models where you actually have to build the model yourself with glue. The stand you have to buy elsewhere. It does add to the aircraft when you're displaying it around, and it's easier just laying on these super unrealistic bombs. As another thing to mention, it is a slightly unrealistic kit, and the nice feature there of the propeller moving. The canopy is a bit off, I don't really like it, but hey ho, it was a 5+ quick build kit. So overall I think this kit is very nice, has a few issues with the fit and the general looks, because I rather like realistic modelling where it looks similar to the thing. I mean, it does look similar, but it's not amazing. The bombs could do with a bit of a rework, but as you see, I'm editing with the fit there. But overall, I think the kit is quite nice. So, a thumbs up from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to give it a like, and please feel free to subscribe. Thank you.